What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we are back out at the iX Exotics meet. This is like the substitute for Town Lake Cars and Coffee this month, I guess. So super excited, lots of supercars we're gonna get to see. I think Mr. Neal's whole collection, he just picked up a brand new car, which I hope is here. So we'll have to go see. We're gonna wait up at the front, watch them guys roll in. Ooh, big wang GTR. Let's do this thing.
I love it. Glad to have you back out, dude. Yeah, absolutely. Come on in, that back building. You see the roll line up.
This is Jordan's type of car right there. Then the Ferrari. Move, Jordan. They don't want to see you. They want to see the Ferrari. All right, guys. We're starting off with the big Tonka truck. We saw this guy yesterday driving around. I'm actually quite curious what it is. It's MXT, and then it's International here. If you guys know what this is, let me know. I thought it was like a Ford, like F450, but turns out it might be its own little thing. That is crazy. Look how big it is compared to the Ferrari. Oh my goodness. Still got a 992 Porsche, Sheepy Race Huracan, next to a beautiful green Gallardo Spider and a black Murcielago. Then over here we got the Huracan Performante next to my favorite so far, the white SV from California. Wow. We can never have too many Aventadors at a show, even though I think this might be the only one here right now. I love it. Get in my life. Then of course you got the new Ferrari F8. Haven't seen one in this color yet. Wow. And a couple red Ferraris there. And some JDM boys here. Got the Fast and Furious body kit Mark IV Supra next to Nissan GTR with some Boost Logic goodies. And then my Supra brother in tan. And finally, the red eye and another GTR on some Bostons. Mercedes and an Accelerate yellow C8 and an FF next to the security company that Mike was gonna work at. But now, let's go take a look inside at some of the special cars that they have today. In here we have all the goodies. Huracan Evo Spider. And this is his Ferrari Roma that we were talking about with the guy up front. Murdered out practically. That looks so sinister. Then in here we got the Kermit Green Pista. I don't know of any other Ferraris in this color. It's super nice. Then taking a walk back out here. Got another 992 Porsche. This is actually purple. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. It's very dark purple. Next to a 720S Spider. Ooh, that is super, super nice. And a Cali F12 TDF, which is one of the big boys here. And then we got the Diablo. And a GT3, very good sounding GT3. This is probably not coming out anymore, right? Point score 7.5 out of 10. Wow. Oh yeah. Baby. Mr. the man himself, Sneaky Snakes, is in the building. the wind, but we have another beautiful 570 with a wang on that thing. That is one of the meanest cars out right now. The new RS7. Alright guys, this man got in his car. I want to see him send it. So we're going to go stand over there and hopefully get some accelerations out of these supercars. See you, bro. Jet engine. Oh my God. quiet as a mouse. Oh my God. Oh, how nice. Yes, he's using his blinker. My goodness, I've never heard one that quiet. It's the man, the machine. Here comes the Mercy. That way. Oh yeah. Good, how are you? It's Fee! Bye, Fee, with his driver gloves. Did he just run over that cone? Almost. That tint is dark. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. That was an okay one. We got some sends. Respectfully, we enjoyed the show. Saw some very cool cars. And now, on to the next one, baby. Let's keep it going. So, if you like the video, smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this month. And I'll see you in the next video.